Today I see my primary care physician for a checkup, and I'm taking these. It's just my way of saying lupus is hard, but you and SandlotConnect are making it easier. I call this bag my mobile medical history. Because lupus is complicated, I have a lot of doctors. So whenever I go see one of them, I take along this bag. It's got my current medications, my most recent scans and x-rays, all of my urinalysis and blood test results. I figure I have to take charge of my health, right? But even with all of this, sometimes it's not enough. Last year I thought I had a urinary tract infection, but when I went to my primary care doctor's office, it turns out they had never received the last set of lab results from my kidney specialist. So Dave, at the front desk, had to call my specialist's office and then leave a message and then wait for a fax, which didn't arrive before it was my turn to see the doctor. Meanwhile, the doctor told me she really didn't want to risk prescribing something for me without those lab results, so I had to wait before they could phone in a prescription for me.
I'm sorry.
I was not very happy about all of that. I just wanted immediate relief from the pain, but I couldn't get it because of missing test results. A few months later, I came down with a bad cough, so I went to see my primary care doctor again, and of course, I brought along all of my history, but as it turns out, I didn't need any of it.
Really?
All my data, accessible to all of my doctors through a new electronic health record? I'm thinking now we're making progress. The doctor told me it's called SandlotConnect. It links her to my rheumatologist, and my neurologist, and my nephrologist, and the hospitals and the labs. So she could see my whole health picture and make a diagnosis on the spot. She sent a prescription electronically to my pharmacy, no paper, and it was ready when I got there. She also said, "You know you have this persistent infiltrate showing up on your chest x-ray, so I want you to see a pulmonologist, just to be safe." Well, I expected I would have to do the work to set up that referral. But as I left the office, Dave told me he had already taken care of it through SandlotConnect. I'm a big fan of SandlotConnect. I see the difference it makes when I visit my doctors. They all know what's going on with me right now. They're up to date, and they're working as a team. My mobile medical history bag? It's history. Now I can use it for groceries, not medical records.